Okay, next exercise is rewrite the course class to add clone method to perform the copy on students field. Okay, this is course class. We have three data fields: course name, student, number of students, and setters and getters. So let's start with implementing Cloneable interface. Okay, then let's go to at the end of the class. So when we add the students to course, maybe we can clone number of students to second course so that we don't have to add the same students. Then we can add the new students to that second course and so on. Okay, clone methods. So this line I will replace. It should be according to course. So let me just select it all and then replace it. Okay, let's start with course. Let me call it as a course. Then using superclass object super.clone methods, we have to make sure object type match. So we say typecasting here, incomparable type. So we say course. So we are saying we are going to clone course object. Okay, then return course object. Inside the course object, we have 100 students. Okay, so course, we have students, new students, about 100. So let me just manually copy 100 students. I equal to 0, I less than. There is actually methods, data field up there. Okay, call it as number of students. I++. Let's say course students. Okay, for students, copy to first place. So so we are copy each student name. So also we may need to copy second data field, number of students, number of students. Okay, return course. That's correct. Pretty much this is how you do deep cloning. Report is to the objects. Okay, inside the objects, you should be able to copy that object reference. In this case, we are talking about student name. Okay, let me quickly demonstrate. Public static void main. Let me create the two course object, course 1, new course, object-oriented programming. Let me just add 3 students, like a student 1, 2, 3. Okay, there's a method called add students. String value s1. Let me copy. Okay, 2 more students. Okay, 2 and 3. Let's create the second course object. This time I'm going to clone 3 student objects according to course 1 Then continue add the 3 more students to course 2. Okay, so instead of using new, I'm going to use course 1 and then clone methods. Of course, it should be a course class. Clone. Okay, so it's going to clone 3 elements inside, S1, S2, S3. Then let's add S4, S5 and S6. So course 2 has 6 students. Let's print it out. Okay, students in course 1. So we will say course 1 get students method. Then we use a for loop. Okay, get student number, I++, is out. Students in course 1, and then depends on I. Let me add 1 space. Okay, let's print the second course. Change to 2. There should be number 2. There should be 2 as well. That's number 2. Let me just put 1 label. Student in course 1. Let me copy, paste it, and change to student in course 2. Okay, there is a problem with line number 23. Okay, clone not supported exception. Okay, let's add that to main methods. Okay. Okay, course objects allow us to clone, so it should be okay. So try to look at the first one. There are 3 students, 1, 2, 3 as it is. Second object, it seems like we add only 4, 5, 6, but there are student 1, 2, 3 because we copy. Okay, basically we just clone when we create the course 2. Okay, so that's why we have students 1, 2, 3, and then new students 4, 5, 6 in course number 2. Okay, that's how we use clone methods in Cloneable interface. That's all. Thank you.